guys, yeah, this is Benataksha and I'm here outside, guys. Today we have a snowstorm. You see, we are expecting about 3 to 4 inches of snow, and yo, it's freezing. Okay, it's not freezing, but it's a lot of snow today. Look, guys. Yeah, it's not easy, so yeah, let me know in your state if it's still snowing. This is New Jersey and New York, so we're gonna be freezing today, guys. It's not funny. It is not funny. It is the snow, guys. So stay safe. You live in the tri-state area. See somebody cleaning the snow. Yep. Freezing. But I still had to take a feed. Look, it's still snowing. See? Yo. It's not funny. Look. Look at my foot. Look where it gives this, but it's gonna snow around 3 to 4 inches today. So our governor last night declared a state of emergency. So yeah, no work. I'm not going to work. After this video, actually, I'm going back to sleep because nobody will fire you because the governor already has declared state of emergency, so people have to stay home if you can stay home. But you don't have to get out to drive. If you don't have to go to work, just stay home like me, put the heater on, get coffee, and stay in the house. That's it, guy. Nothing, not a big deal. It's still snowing. I don't know what time it's gonna end, but yep, it's still snowing. Maybe for the whole day, but whatever, man. This is America for you, right? Let me know where you are if it's snowing. This is the tri-state area, New York, New Jersey. So yeah, that's us today, guys. Look at the cars. Look. Guys, look at the trees. It's snowing like roaches. Oh, guys. Wow. Yep. So yeah.